Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something super fascinating. How to design an apartment building in India. If you've ever wondered about the process, you're in for a treat. Let's break it down step by step. First off, location is everything. You want to pick a spot that's not just convenient, but also compliant with local zoning laws and regulations. This is crucial because it determines what you can and cannot build. Next, let's talk about the initial design phase. This is where architects come into play. They'll create a blueprint that includes everything from the layout of individual apartments to common areas like lobbies, gyms, and parking spaces. You want a design that maximizes space while keeping costs in check. Now, we can't forget about the structural design. This involves civil engineers who ensure that the building is safe and stable. In India, this means adhering to the National Building Code, which sets the standards for earthquake resistance and other safety measures. Once you have your designs in place, it's time to get approvals from various authorities. This can include environmental clearances, fire safety approvals, and more. Yes, it's a lot of paperwork, but it's non-negotiable. After approvals, the construction phase begins. This is where project managers step in to oversee the actual building process. They coordinate between contractors, suppliers, and workers to ensure everything runs smoothly and on time. Simultaneously, you'll want to think about utilities. Water, electricity, and drainage systems are crucial for a functional building. You'll need to plan these out meticulously to avoid any future hassles. Interior design is another key element. This is where you make the apartments not just livable, but also aesthetically pleasing. Think about lighting, flooring, and even the color schemes that will appeal to potential residents. Finally, the finishing touches. Landscaping, security systems, and overall maintenance plans are essential to create a welcoming environment. And there you have it. Designing an apartment building in India is a complex but rewarding process that involves multiple stages and professionals. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.